D-League starts with Andrex Magno, Axel Rosales, Day Thomas, Sanjiv, Minto, and Miko Armario. Muntinlupa naman as Jimboy Pastoran, AJ Miranda, Flex Apreco, Miggy Cortesa, and JP Berenchon. Well here in the preseason invitational. Bodo malakas ang kanyang tira sa ilalim. Berenchon comes up with the steal and the finish.
Medyo maganda yung depensa nung... I think dito siya nag-start eh, diba? He started here in Muntinlupa.
Yeah, dito siya nag-start season 1, team that reached the finals. AJ Miranda lays it in. Rebound ni Berenchon. Takbo agad ang Cajuns. JP. That's a steal from Rosales. Nice pass inside. That's a finish.
Yes. This D-League team has been taking their shots from the outside. Ayaw nila ipasok yung bola sa loob.
AJM, corner 3. Got it. Shot clock down to 4. Oh, nahanap ang libre. Nahanap, ganyan-ganyan. Alam natin kung sino yung mga kilalang player. But we talk about balance is also the Coach Dewey Gonzalez will be coaching later on with Ilagan, no? And he was part of our commentary team for quite some time here.
Yes, when I was coaching...
Always a big achievement.
Yes.
Because you know that there are so many things that have to fall into place.
na naman sila.
Kaya, interesting yung ano. That was a 36 to straight. Argente is wide open. Another 3. It's good.
From a good defensive stop to a transition
Off
of...
the mark, Argente. And Lloren comes up with the steal. He'll attack the break, and Lloren with the dipsy-do.
What a shot!
Malay natin, baka si Lloren by the end of the preseason, may team na
May team na kaagad yan dito.
MJ de la Vergen. What? The Bigs will also give his lineup here a little bit of flexibility. What a pass!
What a pass!
MJ de la Vergen. Doon ka nakatingin sa gilid, pinasa mo sa ilalim. Galing ah.
Si AJ de la Vergen. And then, isa pa to si Jason Strait. He's a very good player. He's a very good agile 4. He could play stretch 4, even 5.
And he can play the 1 as well, by the way.
Yes, when he was playing for Marikina, he was playing 1.
Oo. Takbo ang Junior D-League All-Stars. A 3 on the way. Yes.
That was a good kick-out pass.
That's Jerick Serrano with the offensive rebound. Serrano uses the right hand. Isabella, jumper, got it. Over Criminales. Miranda gets a running start. Lakas ng katawan.
Ayan!
Oh, nice pass. Oh, Serrano just... pag nakakaano niya, nahahawakan niya yung mga mga bata
Players.
Oo.
Oh.
Dami na yung mga galaw ng mga bata ngayon, Coach.
Oo, dami na. Iba na basketball ngayon eh.
HM finds Paulo Criminales. Top board si Paulo.
Utas nung nung system na to eh. Nakikita ng mga teammates eh.
Lloren from downtown, got it.
That's his shot. Kanina pa niya tinitira yan eh. This guy, how he plays basketball.
Oh, Miranda drives and scores, plus the foul. AJ Miranda. Naive goes for the drive. He backs it in. 1-27. Naive. Oh, libre.
Ganda nung play. What a play!
And Coach Jonathan Banal is turning out to be one of the MVP siya eh. Balikan ko, magkasama kami. Criminales. Back to AJM, the swing, the 3, got it.
Good ball movement.
We'll be right back for more MPBL action. And Alcantara para sa Muntinlupa.
And bringing the fight for...
Meron siyang 7 puntos. Bayani, spin move, and force a turnover. Bayani, and Jordan is there for the finish. I actually, you know what's funny, Coach? Because I had a good meal with some of the staff that we have here. I bumped into Bong Quinto.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Okay, Bong Quinto. Miranda stops at the 3-point line and sinks the triple.
That's...
Inside to Desabel. Labas ulit kay Armario.
That's sila.
Miranda, another open 3. It's good. Desabel, no. Another try and Jimenez. And AJ Miranda with a getaway. 19 points.
That was a veteran move. When Miranda got that ball, it was only 3 seconds. Instead na tinira niya sa labas, inatake niya.
The presence of the bell. Inside to
pass,
Armario.
Good look there. Point. Tama ba? 8 points isa.
Argente, tough layup. Gets it to drop. Really difficult angle there. As the Cagers hold on to a 25-point advantage against the Junior MPBL D-League All-Stars. Much better quarter for the D-League. 23-20 in the third, Coach.
Yes, and another basket there by the D-League team.
Ramos. Argente with the cut. And he puts it in, plus the foul.
Another good play. Okay, iniintay nila yung mga cutters na mau-open.
And ikaw naman ng Junior MPBL D-League also, ang hirap no? Kailangan.
For the Cagers, balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Daphne. And on cue, si Sean Argente, who's got 14 points. Harry Booth after the game para managtanong kay Coach Vic kung anong magandang...
Pwede yan.
Oo. Kasi pwede rin pumunta siya ng Sampaloc, no? May ano din siya.
Pwede siya pumunta doon. Maraming masarap na kainan doon.
Oo, ama. Dante at mga Gen Z ngayon.
Oo, pwede rin yung subukan habang nagpo-food crawl siya. Gusto niya magpapawis, mag-ensayo siya sandali sa isang eskwelahan doon.
Oo. Kailangan niya bang umakyat sa building?
Oo.
MJ. Labas muna kay Jimboy. Tingnan natin ano gagawin ni Jimboy. Jumper free throw line. Alcantara. Kanina pa to talon ng talon, Coach.
Kahit... Oo.
Alcantara continues to work hard. Nakakaingit. Magpapawis.
Hindi mo nga mapapansin na kaya ka nasabi ko nga, hindi ko napansin na 29 points na palalaman kasi they're really playing.
Actually, they are anonymous. Kaya nilang gawin
Gawin, totoo naman.
Like, nakita natin.
Ang maganda rin na isa pa nakikita, fans, dadali nila doon sa sistema. It's either...
Actually, maganda simula ni AJ. Na-sustain niya lang hanggang dulo.
Hanggang dulo,
In the second half, Coach.
Ano siya, very steady yung game niya. 21 points, 3 out of 7 of the 3 points.
Maganda dito, no? He was getting a lot of baskets. No, kahit hindi siya yung off-ball movement niya.
Actually, coming off a system eh. Hindi niya talagang yung sariling kaya niya. It was coming off a system, a pass and cut, coming off mga pasa ng mga teammates niya.
And 94-67 is the final score. Muntinlupa with a victory over the Junior MPBL D-League squad, powered by JY.